Hello, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to run the COVID-19 sentiment analysis script. The first step includes making sure you have Python 3.7 or above installed, as well as the Python IDE Visual Studio Code. The first step is to clone the repository, which you would just click on this green arrow right here and go to Download Zip. It's already downloaded on my machine, but for the purpose of this video, I'll show you the steps that you would take. You would go to COVID-19 Sentiment Analysis main and extract all either with 7-zip or your base computer. You would then extract everything to this folder. It would soon show up in a folder like this. While you're doing that, you're also going to want to download the Google News Vectors -300 bin. So you would download this. Then this file will need to be unzipped. You can do this using a software such as 7-zip. You would then go to Google News Vectors, go to 7-zip, and hit Extract Files. It would then give you this prompt where you could extract it to the bin. Once that is finished, create a COVID-19 sentiment analysis folder in your documents. You would then drag and drop the negative bin into your COVID-19 sentiment analysis document. Let's now open Visual Studio Code. We're going to open the folder like this. And you see we have everything on the side as needed. Our next step is to go to the terminal and run this line of code. This creates a virtual environment. Then your next step is to activate the virtual environment. Then you install your dependencies. You do this through just a simple pip install -r requirements.txt. In this case, I already have my files downloaded. So you see this requirement already satisfied information. This is due to them already being required or installed and it not wanting to overwrite. So next we go to Python tweets classification.py. It'll take a moment, but it starts to run. All right, let's give it a moment. It should start to give you this information as it loads in the different epochs, up to 50. It shouldn't take that long to run the overall code. As you can see here, it's about 3 seconds per epoch. And it tells you the loss, the estimated time. Then it outputs this model, as well as a series of information on the accuracy and the averages. Congratulations, you've now organized the tweets classification folder correctly and ran the script. I hope this helps and have a great day.